Dear students, are you all ready to learn? Please answer my questions. Who is your father? What's your grandfather's name? Do you know about your forefathers? This lesson we're going to learn about early human beings. Before that, let's learn new words. Hominids, resemble, evolved, cavemen, hunters, gatherer, sharpen, attached, attached, sticks, spears. Pause the video, repeat the new words. Do you know where did the first human being come from? Regarding this, we have two theories. One is we believe that God has created human beings who were called Adam and Eve. Second one is the scientists said that early human beings come from apes. They were called hominids, which means different mankind resembled apes, walked on fours. Hominids, extinct species of man-like creatures. Slowly they developed by walking on two legs. Do you know where did they live? They lived in caves and therefore called cavemen. Shall we learn about timeline and location of early human beings? When and where did early human beings live? They lived 5 millions of years ago, which means 50 lakhs of years. They lived mostly in eastern and southern part of Africa. Food and clothing of early human beings. What they might have been eaten? They must have hunted and ate small animals, raw flesh, and fruits, berries, nuts, and roots. How did they get those things? They would have searched them in the forest. Then they collect and gathered what they found. Hence, they were called hunters-gatherers. Remember, why do they call hunter-gatherer? Now, clothing. As their brain developed, they felt shy on themselves and started wearing skin and fur of animals, even bark of trees, to keep them warm. Let's learn tools made of them. Early humans needed to hunt and kill animals for their need of food and clothes. Is it easy to kill them by hands? No. So they would have used sharpened stones, attached them on sticks to make spears to kill animals. They used other tools made of wood and bones for hunting, fishing, digging, and sewing. As most of tools made of stone, the period in which the early human lived was called Stone Age. Do you know what period we are living in? This age is known as computer digital age. Now let's learn about language and communication of early human beings. Communication means express thoughts, feelings to others through language. You know, how did they speak? In what language did they speak? They did not have a language. Then how did the early humans communicate each other? You know, dumb people speak through sign language. As like them, early human beings spoke through signs and animal sound to give signal among them. They also made beautiful paintings. You may think they might have been used paper, crayon, sketch, color as we use now. No, they did not have such things. They painted on caves, rocks, which showed animals hunting scene and their life using natural colors and dyes made of vegetables. Let's recall today's class. Timeline and location of early human beings. They lived around 5 million years ago in eastern southern part of Africa. Language and communication. They had no language, used signs and animal sound. They made cave paintings using natural colors and vegetable dyes which showed animals hunting scenes life during their times. Food and clothing. They ate small animals, fruits, nuts, berries and roots. They wore skin and fur of animals, bark of trees. Tools. They made tools with stone, wood and bone. Thank you for listening to the class. Homework. Answer these questions in your notebook. Thank you.